Part 3, From Factory Floor to Flight Line. Now comes the final chapter, where engineering meets flight. From the series of How Aircraft Are Built, by Jotore Aviation Consulting. Paint. This is where every new aircraft gets its identity. Paint adds beauty and protection against the environment. The paint on a large commercial aircraft can weigh between 273 to 544 kilograms and will be applied to meet the customer's livery specifications. Engine installation and ground testing. Engines are mounted to the aircraft's pylons, while all of the fuel, electrical and control systems are connected. Ground tests confirm that every system, from lights to hydraulics, performs flawlessly. System verification. As with the engines, all aircraft systems and interiors are inspected to ensure correct installation and operation. Flight testing and certification. Once all systems have been checked and the aircraft is deemed to be airworthy, the test pilots then take the aircraft into the sky for the first time, pushing it through every envelope of operation. After these test flights, the operators will carry out further checks and certifications to gain regulatory approval to carry passengers. When an aircraft rolls out of the factory and lifts into the sky, it carries the work of thousands, a masterpiece of engineering, precision, and human imagination. This is how aircraft are born, from design to flight. Like and subscribe to Jotore Aviation for more aviation insights, maintenance facts, and behind-the-scenes engineering stories. www.jotoreaviation.au